Do you know Rasulullah, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace and blessings be upon him, he is actually not for any Muslim. He is for mankind. He was sent as a mercy to mankind and also to give glad tidings of those who believe. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the best person who walked on this earth. Why? Because he is the seal of the prophets and he is the last prophet. And the Lord Almighty, he wrote many, many years before he created the earth and the heavens that his mercy will outweigh his anger. And therefore he sent Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Beautiful.